Welcome to Wonderful Home Design channel. In this video, we show you the most wonderful coffee table ideas. Wooden coffee table for home interior design. Subscribe to the channel and click like. Enjoy the video. A coffee table serves as a versatile centerpiece in living rooms, combining functionality with style. Typically low in height and often crafted from materials like wood, glass, or metal, it provides a convenient surface for placing drinks, snacks, books, or decor items. Beyond its practical uses, the coffee table can enhance the room's aesthetic, reflecting personal taste through its design and finish. It invites social interaction, creating a focal point for gatherings where friends and family can engage comfortably. Whether adorned with decorative items or left uncluttered, a coffee table is an essential element that balances both form and function in any living space. In addition to its aesthetic appeal and practicality, the coffee table can serve as a canvas for personal expression and creativity. Depending on its style, it can be the perfect platform for showcasing unique decor, such as artisanal coasters, vibrant books, or eye-catching centerpieces that reflect the homeowner's personality. Many people use their coffee tables to create inviting atmospheres, layering textures with soft textiles like table runners or decorative trays. Furthermore, some coffee tables incorporate storage solutions, featuring drawers or shelves to keep remote controls, magazines, or board games neatly organized, helping to maintain a tidy living space. Ultimately, the coffee table is not just a piece of furniture, but a dynamic space that embodies both functionality and individuality in the heart of the home. Coffee tables also play a significant role in setting the mood and functionality of a living area. Their size and placement can influence the flow of conversation and interaction, making it easier to gather around for casual chats or game nights. Additionally, the height and design of a coffee table should be thoughtfully chosen to complement surrounding furniture, such as sofas and armchairs, ensuring comfort and accessibility. Some designs even feature adjustable heights, transforming the coffee table into a dining or work surface when needed. This adaptability makes it an invaluable asset in multifunctional spaces, especially in smaller homes where maximizing utility is essential. Ultimately, a well-chosen coffee table enriches not only the decor of a room, but its overall livability and comfort.